Tulog ano na.
Diyan may nahulog, mahulog yun.
Wala kay ano. Wala kay ano.
Masters of ceremonies, chairman, guest speakers, principal, teachers, and other staff members, parents, guardians, and we wish you a pleasant morning to you all as we, the graduating class, celebrate our first milestone of academic success under the theme I want to all. I remember one of the Bible verse we usually sing in our class devotions, Philippians 4, verse 13. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Christian, do you know that Bible verse is reminding us never to give up because God is our strength? Yes, I know God is our strength, but Ricardo, sometimes I keep falling down and I feel like giving up. Looking back at our journey, we learn from afar away. Today we are 4 years older than we started preschool. Boy, time really flies when you are having fun. Wait a minute, what are you talking about? COVID-19 virus out in 2021. That's true. It was really a rough time wearing masks as a toddler, social distancing, and sanitizing. Not to mention, no hugs, no handshakes, just bags. COVID-19 taught us never to give up, but keep on trying to make things work the best we could at the time. You can say that again. We fall out, but we get up. No matter what was happening, preschool days were fun. Our teachers ensured every opportunity was packed with motivation, innovation, and realization. Holding a career properly, climbing the stairs, unaided, feeding ourselves, we feel so excited and resolving. Try again, always follow each field attempt. You know, I think potty training was the worst. I messed up over and over, but I tried again and again. I just wouldn't give up. Nobody learns without getting it wrong. Our caregivers were so patient with us. They knew that accidents would happen now and then. Look at us now. We are all ready for primary or preparatory school. I'm so glad I did not give up each time I made a mistake. My friend, do you realize we're at the end of our time at preparatory school? Please don't remind me. I am really going to miss all the exciting programs and activities that we were exposed to over the years. Fun days romantically, not to mention Sports Day. Sports Day in 2010 for Rose. One by one, take it to them again. Rose was second and Lula was third. Ricardo, aren't you in Margot? Yes, I am. We did it with all of our races. Sometimes we come last, but we never. Jamaica Day was a big thing because we all came out repping the beautiful Jamaican colors. Not to mention trying all those We never missed a note or a beat, singing and dancing to folk song. Our theater art club in a vibrant medley and begins with Sweet Sweet Jamaica
Nah,
and
let's go.
some can hear them sing. Philadelphia,
That's right.
Philadelphia,
Hey.
Philadelphia.
Hey.
Look at us now, about to left young. No please there that twist drums and songs, neither jersey edition. Not to mention crazy songs day, it was even crazier this year. There were so many events that kept us smiling and played a vital part in this last leg of our journey at We Care Basic School. We will surely miss it all. I didn't know that my teacher's job was so hard. That's true. I got the chance to be the teacher on Monitor's Day at preschool. And mighty God of goodness, it was so hard. I can see it stressed you out. It did the same thing to me. Remember, both of us were at preschool. I wonder if we had the same behavior when we were at preschool. Boy, if I could turn back the hands of time, I would be one of the best behaving students.
You know, if you ask Miss Scrooge. Miss Scrooge? Yeah, you know, if you ask Miss Scrooge.
Jumbo had the same experience while he was in Mrs. Tomlinson class, and he said to Mrs. Tomlinson, I don't want this job anymore. I want to go back to my class. And Mrs. Tomlinson told him, oh, Jumbo, you cannot give up so easy. Remember your seat, I won't give up. Oh boy, a teacher's job is really hard. Is there anything that you would like to say to the We Care staff? Most definitely. All right, my teachers, please stand. Over the years, you have nurtured us with love and respect. You taught us how to be confident in all we do, how to help each other, and how to be kind. We thank you. Please be seated. Our hardworking folks and janitors, please stand.
That's right. Miss Nicostano. Miss Nicostano.
We have tasted your love in every bite. We will never forget the cornmeal porridge, saltfish fritters, and spaghetti and meatballs. Thank you, folks. We appreciate you, janitors, for keeping our surroundings clean and beautiful. You not only kept our surroundings nice and clean, but us as well. Whenever we had accidents or got messy. Thank you. Please be seated.
That's right.
Our principal, Mrs. Flego, please stand. You are a creative, hardworking, and optimistic leader, and we appreciate the time you spent with us in work and play. You have taught us to always do our best and to never give up. We thank you. Please be seated. A special thanks to our parents and guardians for being with us every step of the way. You could not have chosen a better place to start our educational journey. School leaving class of 2025, please stand. continue to build on the strong foundation that was laid at Major Macy School. No matter where we go, we pledge to never give up on the principles we have learned but to continue striving for excellence. We love you all. We won't give up.